This is Kuala Sepatang Charcoal Factory. It is one of the famous tourist destinations in Taiping, Malaysia. For this photo shoot, I drove around 75 kilometers up north to reach this destination, and it's about an hour of journey. The road going to the factory was pretty easy and straightforward. There is no dirt or rough roads to drive by. The factory is open very early in the morning, so I targeted to reach there just after sunrise, hoping to get some good light. To give a brief background of this factory, the process is a traditional way of making charcoal. The green woods as raw materials were taken from the mangrove forest just few meters from the factory and transported through a small boat. Then the woods are then cut into desirable sizes and loaded into this huge handmade kiln. The curing and evaporation process will take around 1 month before it will be unloaded and packed. For this shoot, I was actually with a group of photographers from Ipoh, organizing this event. It's always fun and a privilege to shoot with these guys. Okay, so let's proceed with the actual photo shoot. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. angle. So that's all for today, guys. It was a very successful shoot. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.